Welcome! In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the recovery menu and also how to remove the screen lock protection in the process. Before we start, if you want to factory reset this watch or your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Okay, now let's continue with reset. So first we need to turn off our watch. To do it, simply press and hold the crown button, keep holding it until you see the power menu on the screen, and then tap on the power off option. And after the watch turns off, wait for about 30 seconds, and then comes the tricky part. It takes a couple of tries. Basically what we need to do is to turn on the watch by pressing and holding the crown button, and once you see the white Google logo on the screen, you need to tap on the left top corner of the screen, the touch screen, and the bottom right corner of the touch screen. We need to tap on them at the same time, like this, something like this basically. And once you tap on them, you should see the fast boot message on the screen, and your watch should enter the fast boot. But sometimes it's tricky, so it doesn't work all the time. So it might take a couple of tries basically. Okay, so let's try it. We need to turn on our watch by pressing and holding the crown button. And once you see the logo, tap on the screen like this, and you should see this fast boot message, and also this message should appear on the screen. This means we entered the fast boot mode. Now we can press the side button right here to continue, and the menu will appear. To move through this menu, use the side button, press it to scroll through the options like that, select the recovery mode option, and then press the crown button to confirm. Once you see the no comment on the screen, you will need to press and hold the crown button and swipe up on the screen. So you need to press and hold and swipe up to continue. And this should open the recovery menu. To move through this menu, you can use the touch screen by swiping up and down on the screen, like this. You can use the side button to scroll only down. And to confirm the selections, you can press the crown button or swipe left or right on the screen. Okay, let's scroll down. Select the option called Wipe Data / Factory Reset, and then confirm by pressing the crown button or swiping left and right on the screen. Now, select the Factory Data Reset and confirm. Wait until the wiping process is complete, and once it is complete, make sure that the Reboot System Now option is selected and confirm by swiping left or right on the screen. And once you see this animation on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.